Following on the President's pronouncement of a total lockdown, we felt as the Department of Health in Limpopo that number of people, our citizens who reside in other provinces, will take opportunity and make use of today and tomorrow to travel back to our province. We knew that they are not going to heed our call and our advice of saying, can you please remain where you are? Can you please stay in the province where you are? So we decided to come here at Mantsole station so that we can be able to screen everyone entering the province. We are screening them for symptoms and signs of coronavirus. We are taking history of those that have traveled outside the country. Up to so far, since we started at 2:30, we've been able to screen more than 300 people. And you can show that, it shows that a number of people are indeed coming to the province. We have, during the process, picked up a number of people who did presented with those signs and symptoms, and some of them have even traveled outside the country. Some of them have shown us they had had contacts. So we are having our National Health Laboratory Services mobile testing unit with us here, so that immediately we are taking the swabs from them and we will test them. We are also taking a roll call of anyone who is entering Limpopo province during this time, so that we can be able to be visiting, following them up, so that we can be able to trace who would have been the contacts. But we are relieved by the fact that the President has pronounced on a total lockdown, such that even if you are driving to Chikunda Marema, it means you are going to stay in your house. You are not going to move outside. You are not going to interact with any. So there will be a minimal in terms of person-to-person interaction, which of course that will assist us in reducing chances of getting new infection as we are struggling to get into a flat curve. We are making a call and reiterating our call to say the reason why we were advising you to remain where you are is because we know as a province, majority of our people are vulnerable. They are vulnerable because they are poor. They are vulnerable because they are sick. They are vulnerable because they are elderly. So when you do visit such and you have a risk of infecting them, the chances of them surviving, if the virus can infect them, are minimal as compared to me and you who stays in an urban area. So our call is to say, let's really comply with what the President has pronounced. If we want to win this battle, at the end of the day, ours and our responsibility is to save and preserve lives.